Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create weighted totals in your grade center. A weighted total is how you would assign different weights to your grade center columns, and to start you log into Blackboard. Now select your course from the course list and you're going to go click on Grade Center followed by Full Grade Center. Now in my previous videos I have showed you guys how to put your grades into categories, so if you haven't watched that video I suggest you do before watching this one. Categories do make weighted totals a lot easier. But if you've gotten that far and know how to put your assignments into categories, we'll go right ahead and go to Create Calculated Column and click on Weighted Column. Under Weighted Column, you're going to type in weighted total and leave everything as it is. Instead, we're going to scroll down to the section that says Select Columns. This is where we're going to focus. Now, if you look at this section, you'll notice that there are two different lists. The top list says Columns to Select. This is where you would select an individual assignment. So if you wanted to make a single final exam worth 20% of the grade, you will scroll down, find that final exam, click on this gray arrow, and type 20% in the box. Below this, we have our categories to select. So as I discussed in our categories video, the categories are used to lump together assignments and give them a common weighted value. So for example, if you'd like all discussion boards worth 80% of your grade, you click on Discussion. And as a quick little side note, if you look under this gray box that says Category Information, you'll be able to see every single assignment that is added to this category. But anyway, moving on, you'd click on this gray arrow to move the discussion category over. And you'll see this box appear, and you'll type in the 80% that you want this category worth. Now under this little box, you'll notice there's a few options. You want to weight the columns equally. That's generally the easiest way to do it. And then you have the option to drop grades. So say if you're weighting a bunch of quizzes and you want to drop the two lowest grades, you would simply type a 2 in that box. Or if you were grading based on quizzes and you only wanted the highest quiz in the category to count, you would click on Use Only the Highest Value to Calculate. So if your student took a bunch of quizzes and they got a 90, an 80, and a 70, and you wanted only that 90 to count, you would use that option. Now, if you look under this box, you'll notice big bold letters that say Total Weight. Total weight should equal 100%. So if you are doing your math and you notice that this number is only 90%, you might want to check again. So for example, change that 80 to a 70, and you'll notice that that is now worth 90%, and you have to add points somewhere to get that up to your 100. So once you're done there, you're going to scroll down, and you'll see this option. This is counting as a running total. Make sure that this option is changed to yes. So this way, every time you update a grade in the Grade Center, the weighted total will be adjusted as well. Below this, you have Common Grade Center options, including the column in Grade Center calculations. You want to generally keep that as yes. Show this column to students, completely up to you. If you want the column visible, you keep it at yes. If you want the column invisible, you'll keep that as no. And lastly, you have the statistics option. By default, I just keep it as no. Now when you are done, you're going to click Submit, and you will be brought back to this page, and the weighted total we've created will appear on the far right. You have now created your weighted total. If you like this video and you would like to see more like it, simply subscribe, and thanks for watching.